Look at a four-legged animal like a cat. Their spine is a beautiful horizontal suspension bridge. It just took that horizontal bridge, tilted it 90 degrees, bent it into a wobbly S shape, and let gravity do its worst. Welcome to part 3 of Roasting Human Biology. Today, we're looking at the absolute tragedy. That is your skeleton, specifically the spine. You think standing on two legs makes you advanced? Structurally speaking, it is the worst decision your ancestors ever made. Look at a four-legged animal like a cat. Their spine is a beautiful horizontal suspension bridge. It distributes weight perfectly. But millions of years ago, you stood up. Evolution didn't build a new spine. It just took that horizontal bridge, tilted it 90 degrees, bent it into a wobbly S shape, and let gravity do its worst. Between your vertebrae, you have these little shock absorbers called discs. When you walked on four legs, these worked fine.
But now, you've stacked them vertically. You are constantly crushing them under your own weight. It's exactly like squeezing a jelly donut. One wrong move, one heavy box lifted with bad form, and pop, you've got a slipped disc. And what did evolution place at the very top of this unstable tower of bone and squished jelly?
A massive, incredibly heavy bowling ball, your head. Your delicate cervical spine has to balance a 10-pound skull all day long. And what do you do with it? You spend 8 hours a day craning it forward to stare at a glowing rectangle in your hands. But the absolute best part? Walking upright forced your pelvis to become narrow. A horse can run within an hour of being born.
A human? It takes you a year just to figure out how your own legs work because you're born completely underdeveloped. So the next time your lower back aches for absolutely no reason, thank your ancestors for standing up. Sit up straight, squishy apes. Not that it'll save you. Hit subscribe for our grand finale, where we discuss your mandatory daily comas.